Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the mass deletion of purchase requisition. Actually, when any organization, basically the users, when they are doing some, they're creating some purchase requisitions for the same material master, and different purchase requisitions are there. So that kind of time organization sometime decided that why we should have multiple purchase requisition. So sometime they are going to we're going to consolidate all the purchase requisition in one purchase requisition, as they are using the same material master. So that time mass deletion will come into play. Another type of scenarios, suppose you are the consultant and you have created some purchase requisition inside the system during the user training or any other purposes. So that kind of that time, sometime we are using the mass deletion. So mass deletion basically a process. By this process we can delete multiple or n number of purchase requisition in a single transaction. Okay, so we don't need to go in individual all the purchase requisitions line item wise. We need to select and click on the deletion indicator. So this is actually not happening in real time scenarios. So in real time system, whenever there is a duplication of purchase requisition or any kind of purchase requisition which has been created by mistake or any other reason, so that kind of time purchase deletion, so sorry, mass deletion should require. So let's see inside the system how we can delete the purchase requisition in this process. Okay, so directly I'm just jumping inside the system and I will create one purchase requisition quickly. So here I have in system, I have already created one purchase requisition just for the demonstration. So this is the purchase requisition number. I have created this purchase requisition number 2 all time 0136. Either you can just select this one and click on the adapt icon, or you can also use this scenario. That means you just drag and drop inside the cart option. So this is also applicable for the creation of purchase requisition by copy functionalities. Okay, so inside that purchase requisition, we can see that only one item we have created. So just we have only one quantity we have maintained inside this requisition. Just click the save icon so you can see the two all time 0137. So suppose now I want to delete this purchase requisition by using the mass transaction. Okay, so let's see what will happen. So we have one transaction with the name of mass, MASS, mass. If you just go inside that page, you can see mass maintenance. Inside the object type, we should have to select the object type related to the purchase requisition. This is the standard object type which has been created by SAP. It is BUS 2105, which is for purchase requisition. Just click on it and click on execute. So here you can see the purchase requisition, and the table for the purchase requisition is IBAN. Just select this line, click on execute icon, and here you can see we can put n number of purchase requisition. If you have more than one purchase requisition, you can just copy and paste here the number of purchase requisitions here. But in my case, as I only created only one purchase requisition, so I will put my purchase requisition number here. You can see this is my purchase requisition number. Just click on execute icon, and here you can see test ABX. This is my purchase requisition and it has only one item, right? So how you can delete that? The delete. So just go inside this option. This is called select field. That means inside this purchase requisition, what you are going to do, like suppose you want to change the delivery date, you want to do any other thing, but if you are try to search for the deletion indicator, you will not find inside that system. That means inside this one. That means inside this mass transaction, we are not going to see any field with the name of deletion indicator. Here you can see the list of available fields. If you just double click on it, You can see that all the fields are alphabetically, it has arranged B, C, D and all. So inside the D, you can see delivery date, category, desired vendor, delivery date, distribution, indicator. But we are not able to change, or sorry, why we are not able to see any fields related to the deletion indicator. So how it will come inside this page? So just use this icon, and we need to go in another transaction with the name, which is name mass obj. Okay. So just go inside that one obj. Inside that thing, you will see this kind of message will come. Basically, this kind of information will come once the transport request is going to generate, which is workbench request. So this is cross client. Okay. Click on the enter icon, and you can see all the object type which is available inside the system. You can see here also. So these are the object types. Okay. Just select this one because this is for purchase requisition. If you just go inside the application table, double click on it, and you can see some do not make any changes, which is just for information. If you just go inside this information, you will see some information is coming because SAP has written some information related for upcoming release. It may hamper or it may reason for the inconsistency. So usually this is just for information. Inside that one, if you just select this object type and click on the field list, you can see all available list which you can see inside the mass transactions. Okay. So if you want to activate the deletion indicator for mass changes, so you need to add here one line item, that means one field with the name of deletion indicator field name. Okay, so I am going to create. I am not going to actually create. I will just copy this name and I will maintain the field name as LOEKZ. This is the field name for the deletion indicator. Okay, just click on, and here you can see this field has been added here. Just save. Okay, and you can see this is showing as workbench request. Okay, on save icon. If you are not aware about the customizing and workbench request and the characteristics of this kind of tiers, please put your comment in my comment section. I will definitely create one video for that section also. Okay, so here added one field with the name of LOEKZ. Now if you just again go inside the mass transaction code and put the same object type for the purchase decision. Here, if you just again go inside that thing like execute, and here now you can see this is my purchase requisition. If you want to maintain deletion indicator, so now you can see the deletion indicator is showing inside this available field. So just select this line, click here. So you can see we can easily apply deletion indicator of this purchase requisition. So new value is showing like blank, and already the existing value already blank. That means inside this purchase requisition, no deletion flag has been added. So if I want to open the purchase requisition once again, uh, so now I'm just quickly jump the purchase requisition. Sorry, not this one. 137 is my purchase requisition number. Here inside the item level, you can't see any deletion indicator. Okay. So I'm just opening inside the Windows once again, inside the right side. And here I'm going to add the deletion indicator here. So if you want to add the deletion indicator, just put X here. Okay. Just select this line. Okay, and click on this icon, carry out changes. Okay, so that means this X will be applicable for all those purchase requisition. If you have suppose added 100 purchase requisitions here, so all the purchase requisition will have the deletion indicator. Okay, once you have added this deletion indicator, just on save icon. So here you can see it is not able to process because this purchase or requisition is open as change mode. I am just going to select as convert as display mode. Now I try again. Okay, just select the fields, deletion indicator. One second. Sorry. Mm, I need to go inside the mass transaction again. Just put the object type, click execute, select this line, execute, put your PR number, on execute. Now, if I want to deletion indicator here, you can see the deletion indicator is available. So now I want to add the deletion indicator as X. Select this line and click on mass changes. Okay. Once you have click on the mass changes, if you just click on save, now you can see changes has been saved. Sorry, have been saved. Okay. That means our changes have been saved. Now, if we again go inside this purchase requisition, earlier it was status like blank. Now, if we again go inside the same PR, and here you can see automatically deletion indicator has been, it is showing here, right? You can also see inside the table level also. We know that the table for the purchase requisition is IBAN. Okay. So I am just going inside that one and put the purchase requisition number. And let's see what will come in the deletion indicator. Here you can see deletion indicator. Okay. It's quite difficult to understand where is the deletion indicator flag. So I'm just doing one thing. I'm just deselect all the selected output. Only I want to see the number for the purchase requisition, and LOE key KZ is the deletion indicator here. These two field I want to see only. So now if you execute, so here you can see the deletion indicator is already been added. Okay. So this is the way you can do the mass changes inside the purchase requisition. Now I will explain another important thing. Let's see. Now, if I want to create the purchase order with respect to this purchase requisition, which has already marked as deletion indicator, so what will happen? Okay, let's see. Amy, 21 and transaction code. I'm just going inside that transaction code. I'm just quickly try to create one purchase order with reference to this purchase requisition. So let's see what happens. So we can easily put the purchase requisition number here to 4 times 0 137. Okay. So inside that one, you can see that system is not throwing any error message because in real time scenario, when this message will come as information, so it is not actually acceptable, because when we have deleted some purchase requisition, so this mass transaction or deletion decision has been taken by the higher management. So why we can create the purchase requisition which has the deletion indicator. So this is the very crucial issue. That means already this purchase requisition has been deleted, although we can create the purchase order. Okay. So if you just click on save icon, you can see that this purchase order will be created. So how we can stop this problem? Okay. So if you just go inside this message, you can see here one message number is showing. The last three number always showing as message number, and the first two thing is showing as application area. Okay. So we can make this information. That if you just click on check icon, you can see this is just in warning. Sorry, this is warning. It's not an error. Okay. So if now your management or your client is asking, no, we should not take this way, like we require this message should come as error. Okay. So how you can deal with that thing? Okay. So now let's understand, if we want to create this message as error message, how we can do so. Just go inside the SPRO. This is a configuration activity. This is a consultant activity, So just go inside the SPRO and just material management. You can see this is purchasing, and here you can see one node which is called environment. So inside that one, you can see the define attribute of system messages here. So as I have already explained that the last three number is always a message number. So if you just point your cursor here, you can see this is a message number, and here this 606 is called application area. Okay. So the message which we have seen, which was like one, what was the message? 050, right? 06050's purchase requisition and item already been deleted. Okay. And here you can see it is showing like W. That means W is just for warning. If you want to mark it with E, then it will convert it into uh, error message. Then it will always save inside the customizing request. So this change will store inside the tier. Okay, just click on save icon. Now if you try to create the order again, because this reflection will not reflect here, so just put all those information, and quickly I am just putting the purchase requisition number. And now you can see system won't allow you to create the purchase order, because this message is now showing a message. Okay. So this is all about the deletion indicator related information. If you really think that this video is informative, then kindly share with your friend and kindly subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. Thank you so much. And if you really want to take a course, SAP full course, then you can directly contact with me in my mobile number or my email ID. And I can easily teach you the S4HANA, SAP ECC training. And if you really need the implementation project related support on S4HANA or public cloud project, then you can directly contact with my mobile number or email ID. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.